So, hello guys! Mag-English dapat tayo kasi English yung mga nag-vlog. So, hello guys! We're gonna play listen but don't judge. Yes. You know, so I'm gonna teach my best. Okay, we're gonna say our secrets, okay? You go first. Go first. Wait, I know what the challenge. Wait. Sabay tayo magsabi ng listen but don't judge. We listen but we don't judge. You go. I go. So my secret is ito yung hindi mo alam. Kunyari hindi mo to alam. Hindi nila alam kung ano sinasabi natin kasi ano sila English. English yung mga viewers mo? English din. Kasi nag-i-English ako. Kasi baka hindi nila mag-understand. Okay, enough talking. My secret is I have another best friend. Ano yung
Ano course na? Ay, ano mo na yung course niya?
Okay, I have one. I ate in the night.